All right, we're gonna see if this trick works. Which is, since we don't have a microwave and hadn't had it for 5+ years, we're gonna see if we can preheat this pizza up with just using a pan and water. All right, this pan here already has oil on the bottom, and then we're gonna put the slices there. Of course, that's to get the bottom crunchy. This pan is hot. I know a lot of people says, well, this will take too much time. Well, that's okay. I got plenty of time in my life. So that's getting crunchy. You're searing up the bottom. And I think I'm gonna use ice cubes instead of water, because I've seen it done with water. But you don't want to put too much water in there because the whole thing is about steaming. I'm just trying to feel it out here. And I'm using a cast iron. I've seen other videos where they're using a regular pan. I just want to see. Just don't want to burn it. So I'm starting to smell the cheese and everything, and I'm thinking that the fire alarm's gonna go off. Okay, so let me see if this works. I'm gonna try 4 pieces of ice. All right. It says it takes about 3 minutes. For those, I don't use, and me and BB, we do not use microwaves. We took it out because it's just nasty what you do to microwave. We got videos on how to preheat correctly a White Castle. We've even steamed in our steamer when we preheated the steaks. Comes out moist. I've seen people use this in an air fryer wrapped up with aluminum foil. Used to put it in the oven at 350 for a few minutes. But this I want to check out because, again, I'm thinking that this will be more moisture because of the steam coming up on top. And you're getting that burnt cooked on the bottom. Not too much, but I mean, it is look like, I mean, that literally looks like it's ready. Yeah, I mean, that cheese is already melted. Now, I hate to do BB's because she's not up, but I think she'll be up. All right, try it again. I mean, ice works. People use water, but and again, what you're doing there is you want the bottom crisp, but you don't want to burn it. It's a little burnt there, but that could be my fault too because I do have this on high. And I had it sitting there, and I should have just immediately, and who knows, maybe the water, the ice water got underneath it. And it's got to be done quick. So, you know, that burnt there might not be burnt. It just might be, again, just from the water. So, but we'll know. When I think I might have had it in there too long too. But like I said, I think a lot of that is going to be because the water might have gotten underneath there, cooked it up a little. Like I said, just a couple minutes. And like I said, I might have left mine in there too long. This one here. Yeah, it's sticking to the bottom, boy. Gotta love these cast irons. All right, let me see what this bottom looks like. I mean, it's steaming. It's steaming. This one's not that bad. All right. I mean, other than the house is smoked, and I did use a cast iron, and maybe I should have used a regular pan. Maybe this definitely, the bottom is definitely, you can feel it's crunchy. I'm telling you, that pizza's done. Maybe I wouldn't do it with a cast iron, but that pizza is done. So if you guys tried this, let me know. What's your way of warming up pizza after it's been in the refrigerator? Thanks for joining me. And maybe we'll see what BB says before I say goodbye. All right, BB. My lab rat.
I know.
The smoke woke her up. I think, I think other than, well, because like I said, I used the cast iron. I think I had it too high, but you don't really taste the burn.
Speak for yourself.
Next time I'll try the regular pan. But overall, it works. The other one's not as burnt. Try the other one. But it is soft, and the cheese and everything.
Just give me a fork.
Okay. Want a knife too?
No, just a fork. Drop in the crock pot. I'll have to drop you.
But I'll just stick to doing it in the oven. I mean, it works, but if I didn't use the cast iron, maybe I had it too high. Other than the bottom, it is like, it just, was just made. So.
It's a good thing it wasn't just made, because I'd be sending it back.
So, guys, if you've tried something like this, or done it in the oven, let me know. I know a lot of people will be like, well, you could do it in a microwave, it's faster.
We don't do microwaves anymore.
Yeah, we don't do microwaves. So, until the next one, I'm 1 for 2,000 in cooking. Bye.